nature's deadliest hunters, and you'd never see them coming. Number 5. Orcas. They hunt in teams, flipping sharks upside down to paralyze them and tear them apart. Number 4. Jaguars. They don't aim for the neck, they crush skulls with one bite. Number 3. Harpy eagles. With talons as long as grizzly bear claws, they can snatch a sloth straight out of a tree. Number 2. Great white sharks. They can detect a single drop of blood from over 3 miles away. If you're enjoying this, drop a like and let's hit number 1. Number 1. The saltwater crocodile. It waits perfectly still, then explodes with bone-crushing power, faster than you can blink. Which predator gave you chills? Comment below.